Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable hardware or graphic acceleration on your Google Chrome. So here, hardware acceleration can improve your browsing experience, audio or video streaming, and overall experience. It works by using graphic processing unit or GPU along with CPU. This allows you to play back effects and transition in real time without rendering them. So here, the question is, should I use a graphic acceleration in Chrome? Yes, because of here, based on this article, if you use this hardware acceleration to tackle graphic intensive tasks like playing video games or anything that require faster mathematical calculation, passing off specific tasks give your CPU chance to work tirelessly on everything else, while the GPU handles process that it was designed to run. So here, while this sound great in most cases, sometimes hardware acceleration can cause Chrome lag, freeze, or crash. It could even cause your laptop battery to drain a lot faster. So if you have weak GPU, weak CPU, I recommend you to not to enable this. But if you have a recommended or high-end PC or middle-end PC or system, I recommend you to turn on your hardware acceleration or GPU acceleration on your Google Chrome. So now you can go to the settings and click on a system. Here under the system, there is a use graphic acceleration when available. So here you can turn this on. And if you have a low rig, sometimes use graphic acceleration when available option is grayed out. You cannot turn this on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the next button below. See you in the next video.